Salvinio MB. Successful part of the Havinia dam line. Salvinio MB was bred out of the 7-year-old mare Baloubet MB, who is already competing at international 1m35 level. Besides her, Grand Dam Elvinia MB has also foaled the international 1m40 show jumper Jelvinia MB, and in the third generation, this dam line leads back to Salvinio, who is a full sister of the international Grand Prix horse Havinia. Under Gianni Govoni, this Grosso Z mare ended up at the 5th place at the World Equestrian Games in Jerez de la Frontera. From this successful family also descends the former WBFSH #1 Cineas. The Olympic sire Emerald is a progenitor of Grand Prix horses.